The 2-in-1 Scarifier Dethatcher Model XZY123 is a versatile tool that allows users to easily switch between dethatching and scarifying, catering to various lawn care needs. Featuring a powerful 13-amp motor that operates at 3,600 revolutions per minute, this machine provides consistent power to tackle dense layers of thatch and moss effectively. The adjustable depth settings offer 5 positions, allowing users to customize their lawn treatment for different times of the year or specific lawn conditions. Its durable, puncture-resistant wheels and balanced design ensure smooth maneuverability across uneven or sloped terrain, making it accessible for users of all experience levels. The detachable 10.5-gallon thatch collection bag efficiently captures debris, minimizing post-job cleanup and maintaining a tidy work area. This model supports strong root development and promotes a healthy-looking lawn throughout the year by improving soil aeration and nutrient absorption.